Let's divide 34 by 2. Super Math Stars. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a fun math adventure with Let's Stud. Alrighty, let's start dividing 34 by 2. Get ready. We look at the first divot of 34, which is 3. We're using just this one divot for now. How many tums does 2 fit into? 3, it fits 1 tum. Let's check, 1 times 2 is 2, that's right. Now we subtract, 3 minus 2 equals 1. We've got a remainder of 1. Awesome job, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next divot, 4 to din or remainder 1. Get ready for the next step. Woohoo, second step, we have 14 now. Let's keep going. We bring down the 4 from 34 to meet our remainder 1, making it 14. 6. Math adventurers, how many tums does 2 get into? 14. Think about your 2's tums doubles. It's 7. Let's multiply to see. 7 times 2 equals 14. Perfect. Tum to subtract. 14 minus 14 is 0. Now remainder this tum. You totally crushed it. Huff of. And that's it. We've divided 34 by 2. The answer is 17. So 34 divided by 2 is 17. Great job, everyone. We thus learned how to divide 34 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even big numbers easy peasy. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in netum. See you in the next video.